Welcome to ScreenShorts, the channel that make tech easy with quick and simple tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to share YouTube videos on Instagram stories. So there is no way by you can directly upload the YouTube video on Instagram story, but I have a suggestion for you. So the suggestion is open your YouTube app. So here is the video which I want to share on my Instagram stories. Play the video on the full screen of your mobile. Take the screenshot of the best part of the video, like I am taking the screenshot. After taking the screenshot, tap on the icon share. Now copy the link of your video. Now close the YouTube app and let's go to your Instagram app. Open your Instagram app, tap on the story icon which is at the left top. Now select your screenshot. After selecting the screenshot, you will see the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Tap on this sticker icon. Now search for the icon link. So as you see, the link icon is here. Tap on this icon. Paste your YouTube video link. If you want to customize this with your sticker, then tap on customize, but for now I am skipping this one. After the pasting the YouTube video link, tap on the done icon. Now adjust this link wherever you want. Now tap on this send icon which is at the right bottom. Tap on share and tap on done. So my YouTube video is now uploading in my Instagram. So after the uploading, I will show you how this link will work. So as you see, now my story is uploaded in my Instagram. So whenever the next person will tap on this YouTube link, the YouTube app will be open and your video will be start. So let me show you a look. Now I am tapping on this YouTube link. Tap on visit link. So as you see, the same video is playing now in YouTube. So by this way you can share your YouTube video on Instagram stories. Join the ScreenShorts squad and never miss out on easy to follow tech tutorial again. Hit the subscribe button.